Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Published yesterday on July 23, 2026, and trending on Hugging Face, this paper reveals that current AI models struggle with structured educational concepts. The paper is titled K12-KGraph, a curriculum-aligned knowledge graph for benchmarking and training educational large language models. On its new benchmark, top systems like Gemini 3 Flash reach only 57% exact match, highlighting major gaps in structural curriculum understanding. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 illustrates the 5-stage pipeline used to construct the knowledge graph from textbook PDFs. First, optical character recognition and table of contents parse and convert books into structured files. Next, step 3 uses a large language model to extract concepts and relationships following specific schema rules. Finally, the system merges duplicate entities across grades and runs topological validation to ensure prerequisites form a directed acyclic graph, which prevents circular logic and learning dependencies. Table 1 outlines the structural breakdown of the text component across 4 core subjects. Overall, the graph incorporates over 500 concept nodes, along with thousands of relationship edges. Chemistry contains the highest number of concepts at over 300, while mathematics features 0 experimental nodes. Prerequisite links form the largest relationship category, with more than 700 directed edges, ensuring logical learning sequences. Figure 2 illustrates how the knowledge graph generates evaluation and training sets from a local subgraph, which is a small interconnected portion of the larger knowledge network. Panel A shows the benchmark creation path, where task templates sample prerequisite concepts and filter candidates to build multi-select items. Panel B details the training pipeline, using selected graph relations to synthesize detailed question and answer pairs. Table 3 reports zero-shot performance on K12 bench, where exact match requires selecting all correct answer choices for a question. Gemini 3 Flash achieves the top overall performance with a 57% exact match score. Open source models perform noticeably lower, though Gemma leads its category. Prerequisite and neighbor reasoning tasks prove to be the most difficult, with scores dropping below 35% exact match across nearly all models. Table 4 demonstrates that fine-tuning models on K12 trained text yields superior performance compared to general instruction datasets under a fixed sample budget. For QN34B base, training on K12 trained text achieves a top total score of 10 points, which outperforms all 8 baseline datasets. A similar pattern appears with Llama 3.18B base, where K12 trained text reaches a leading score of 625 points, proving that structured curriculum data provides exceptionally sample-efficient training. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Current models lack structured curriculum cognition, but grounding post-training in textbook knowledge graphs offers a highly sample-efficient solution. Combining textual dependencies with visual grounding significantly boosts overall model performance. That wraps up this look at educational knowledge graphs. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.